नमस्कार, पोया प्रुडंट खबरो. शेनवारा सकाळसान मतदान 1642 केंद्रांचेर तयारी पुराय. व्हीव्हीपॅट मशीना सज्ज. 4000 पुलीस. 250 उमेदवारांचो 11 लाख मतदार थारायतले राजकीय फुडार. इलेक्शनाचो एक्झिट पोल पब्लिशर्सनी कंडक्ट करूकच मेळचो ना. वेंचणूक आयोगान हायकोर्टाक केले स्पष्ट. कमिशनाच्या भूमिकेचेर जाणकारांच्यो खर प्रतिक्रिया. विजयान काँग्रेसीत येवचो. 2012 ताचो विश्वासघात घाल्लो आसूय हे फावट ना. ताणें वेळी उमेदवार घालपाचो न्हय. दिग्विजय हेडनात. व्हीव्हीपॅट मशीनांचा मतांच्या गोपनीयतेचेर कांयच परिणाम ना. मत सिक्रेटूच. वेंचणूक आयोगान केलें स्पश्ट. व्हीव्हीपॅटाचेर मत लीक जातले म्हणून पातळयतात रुमर्स. आदले मडगांवां एक्सिडेंटात दोग गेले. सेल्फ एक्सिडेंट. स्कूटर मोखली लायटीच्या खांब्याक. नुवेचो 24 वर्साचो मिल्टन बारेटो. बड्डेचो 25 वर्साचो ब्रायन फर्नांडीस सोंपले. गोवा फॉरवर्डाक गोंयकारांचो येवकार. पक्षाचे 4 सीट येतले. अध्यक्ष प्रभाकर तिंबलेक विश्वास. काँग्रेसी बरोबर युतीक लुइजिनाचो कमर्शियल इगो आयलो आडवो. आणि साउथ झोन 2020 सर्तीत गोंय सामके मुळाक. 5तल्यो 5 मॅचींनी खालो मार. विधानसभेक मतदान शेनवारा सकाळी 7 मतदान सुरू. 1642 मतदान केंद्रांचेर 11 लाख मतदार. 250 उमेदवारांचो राजकीय फुडार थारायतले. नवी व्हीव्हीपॅट मशीना मतदान केंद्राचेर पावली. 4000 पुलिसांचो बंदोबस्त. 40 मतदारसंघांनी पयलेच फावट बायलांक एक पिंक बूथ. मात बीएलओनी घाळपणां केल्ल्यान हे फावट कितल्याशाच मतदारांक वोटर स्लिपी पाविल्ल्यो नात.
Liquor seizure. Total liquor seizure so far is 73,715 liters. 73,715 liters, and the value is 87,91,610 rupees. Similarly, the seizure of drugs in this election has been total valuing 33 lakhs in terms of ganja, LSD, MDMA, methamphetamine and charas. Its total value is almost 33 lakhs. Seizure of precious metal or some jewelry items is 55 lakhs 55,715. This is by commercial taxes. 58 kg of silver and yellow color articles they valued, and 175 number of wrist watches of Rodo.
बीजेपी, काँग्रेस, मोगो, आप, गोवा सुरक्षा मंच, गोवा फॉरवर्ड, एनसीपी प्रत्येक पक्षाचो रंग वेगळो. निवडणुकूय बरीच रंगीत जावपाची आसा. 250 उमेदवारांचो 11 लाख मतदार शेनवारा राजकीय फुडार थारायतले. उमेदवार आनी वोटर्सूय चार्ज जाल्यात. मतदान शेनवारा सकाळी 7 सुरू. सांजे 7 मेरेन चलपाचे. सेक्युरिटी धरून सगळी तयारी जाल्या. कसलीय वायट गजाल घडची न्ही म्हूण 60 क्विक रिस्पॉन्स टिमी आनी 4000 पुलिसांक घाल्यात. अपंगुळां खातीर खासा व्यवस्था केल्या. पणजे सावन 40 मतदारसंघातल्या 1642 पुलिंग बुथांचेर नवी व्हीव्हीपॅट मशीनां पावली. देशात पयलेच फावट बायलांक वेंचणुके खातीर उर्बा दिवपाच्या हेतान वेंचणूक आयोगान पिंक बूथ ही संकल्पना हाडल्या. 40 मतदारसंघांनी दरेकी एक पिंक बूथ आसतलो. गुलाबी रंगान सजयल्ल्या बुथाचेर बायल स्टाफ गुलाबी कपडे घालून मतदारांचे सेवेक आसतलो.
महिलांनी भिवचे न्हू कोणाक आनी अशें महिलांनी फुडें सरून फुडें वोटींग करपाचें म्हणजे अशें हें कांय ना तेंकां. म्हणजे मागीर थोडी भियातात येयना तशें जाता म्हणून हें केल्लें आनी तांकां मॉडर्न म्हणजे तांकां लेडीजांक फुडें काडपाक
म्हणजे
चड करून
लेडीजांनी फुडें सरपाचें.
लेडीजांक फुडें सरपाक
लेडीजांक फुडें सरपाचें. त्या खातीर लेडीजांक फुडें सरपाक जाय. म्हणजे लेडीजांनी एक कित्याकूच भिवपाचें ना. त्या खातीर मॉडर्न बूथ फक्त ओन्ली फॉर लेडीज. लेडीजांनी सगळे प्रिपेर लेडीज करतले. स्टाफूय लेडीज, पुलिसूय लेडीज आनी सगळे लेडीज.
वेंचणूक आयोगाची ही तयारी जाल्या खरी, मात हे फावट मतदारांचो बूथ आनी सिरियल नंबर सांगपी वोटर स्लीप उमेदवारां कडेन दिल्ल्यो ना. त्यो BLOन वांटपाची वेवस्था केल्ल्यान कितलेशेच कडेन घोळ जाला. शुक्रारा सांज मेरेन कितल्याशाच मतदारसंघांनी मतदारांक वोटर स्लीप मेळोंक नाशिल्ल्यो. मतदारांचो नंबर सोदता म्हळ्यार मतदान केंद्रांतल्या स्टाफाचेर कितें परिस्थिती येता ते शेनवारूच सांगतलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
इलेक्शनाच्या दिसा एक्झिट पोल घेवंक मेळचो ना, वेंचणूक आयोगान स्पश्ट केला. लोकप्रतिनिधी कायद्याच्या कलम 126 प्रमाण एक्झिट पोलाचेर बंदी आसा म्हूण वेंचणूक आयोगान हायकोर्टाक स्पश्ट केला. सोसिएदाद दी फॉमेंतो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड मिडिया हाऊस 4 फेब्रुवारीक एक्झिट पोल घेवपाक दिवचो म्हूण हायकोर्टा कडेन गेले. आयोगाच्या ह्या भुमिकेचेर जाणकारांच्यो खर राजकीय प्रतिक्रिया आयल्यात.
इलेक्शना दिसा एक्झिट पोल घेवंक मेळचो ना म्हूण वेंचणूक आयोगान आदेश काडिल्लो. एक्झिट पोल घेवंक दिवचो, मात तो प्रसिद्ध 8 मार्चा उपरांत करपाची तयारी दाखोवन सोसिएदाद दे फॉमेंतो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड हे मिडिया हाऊस हायकोर्टात गेल्ले. 4 फेब्रुवारीक एक्झिट पोल घेवंक दिवचो म्हूण फिर्यादीन हायकोर्टात मागिल्ले. आयोग म्हणटा लोकप्रतिनिधित्व कायद्या प्रमाण तशें करूंकच मेळना. आदोगाद सुबोध कंटकान केस कितें ती सांगली.
See, after their report in the newspaper, we had asked a clarification from the Election Commission as to whether the exit poll can be conducted. Election Commission did not respond. Therefore, we approached the High Court with a direction that they should clarify, one. And we also made further prayer that High Court should declare that under Section 126A of the Representation of People's Act, conduct of exit polls is permitted. What is not permitted is the publication of the results. So that was the prayer. And to that extent we had sought the interim relief. 126A says that no person shall conduct and publish the results of an exit poll. We are arguing that the section should be interpreted that there should not be a bar for conduct. The bar is only for publication. If that is not so, then you can never have an exit poll. Well, by nature, exit poll is when a person leaves the voting booth and then he is interviewed. If you can't conduct it on the day of the polling, you can never conduct exit poll. That is the argument. So, the High Court heard the arguments and then asked the Election Commission as to, because the Election Commission stand was that conduct of exit poll during polling time is not permitted. They sought time thereafter to contact Delhi and make a statement, and then they made a statement in the evening session that their stand is the same, that you cannot conduct exit poll during the polling time. So we argued thereafter that the stand is incorrect in law, and law otherwise permits the conduct of the exit poll. High Court has now passed an order saying that the matter will require detailed consideration. High Court said that prima facie our submissions in law are attractive, but in view of the stand taken by the Election Commission, it would like to hear the matter in detail. And has recorded the statement made by the Election Commission that no exit poll, in terms of the notification issued, will be permitted. That is from tomorrow till 8th of March. In none of the states, the exit poll will be permitted. The Chief Electoral Officer is party, the Election Commission also is party. And in fact, they got the matter adjourned by about an hour, saying that they want to contact Delhi and take instructions. And then the statement was made. High Court has recorded that statement. In view of the statement made, it should affect all the states.
वेंचणूक आयोग म्हणटा लोकप्रतिनिधी कायद्याचे कलम 126 प्रमाण एक्झिट पोल घेवंक वा तो प्रत्यक्ष वा अप्रत्यक्षरित्या खंयच्याय माध्यमांतल्यान प्रसिद्ध करपाक मेळना अशें स्पश्ट आसा. हो खुलासो आयोगान हायकोर्टा मुखार केलो. आयोगाचे हे भूमिकेचेर जाणकारांनी खर प्रतिक्रिया दिल्यात.
The stand taken by the Election Commission of India that they are going to ban exit polls in the whole country is most shocking. It is totally undemocratic. This stand of the Election Commission to ban exit polls throughout the country is unheard of in political and media history in the whole world. What the Election Commission of India can at the most do is for free and fair conduct of poll, they can restrict telecast or printing of this information, dissemination and communication of this information to the people, because that comes within their power. I don't understand from where the Election Commission gets this power for a blanket ban on exit polls. Now you want to have a blanket ban on exit polls, fine. You could not ban the presentation of the budget. I mean, the budget is something which affects the whole country. And there is no harm if the presentation of the budget is postponed by another 2 weeks. But the Election Commission of India said, oh, you can announce the budget, but you cannot announce soaps for the states which are under elections. Now what is this? How can a central budget, which is for the whole country, avoid when something is declared, it applies to all the states?
To a great extent, the Election Commission has, despite the enormous amount of respect we have for it as an independent institution, somewhere we feel that its autonomy has been challenged during these polls by the powers that be, probably. But from allowing the advancing of the budget to taking up trivial complaints against many of the fledgling opposition parties, to, I don't know, to the whole pink teddy bear campaign, somehow it's been not in harmony with the majesty of the institution of the Election Commission. So banning exit polls is, I think, in my opinion, as Donald Trump would say, a dumb idea.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
विजय सरदेसायान काँग्रेसीत येवचो 2012 ताचो विश्वासात जाल्लो आसूय मात हे फावट जावचो ना म्हणून काँग्रेसीचो महासचिव दिग्विजय सिंग उलयला. वेळी खंय विजयान उमेदवार घालूंक जायनाशिल्लो. परिकाराक रक्षामंत्री पद नाका जाल्यार ताणें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी म्हणून येवन बसचो. पंजाबात खलिस्तानी आकांतवादी अरविंद केजरीवालाच्या पार्टीक फंडिंग करतात म्हणून दिग्विजय सिंगान आरोप केला.
So Vijay feels betrayed. He feels that he has been consistently in opposition, being consistent against anti-BJP. Even in the assembly, when you guys were doing the floor management, he was consistently there with the party. And at the last moment, Congress betrayed him. And his bitterness comes from his experience in the last election also, when the ticket was denied to him at the last moment. Here the alliance was denied to him at the last moment. He feels betrayed.
Well, maybe last election 2012, I may agree to his charge. But this time, I don't agree to his charge. First of all, the 4 seats, the people who are sort of discussing these issues with him, the issue was of 4 seats, which Salegaon, Seolim, Parvorim, Velim was never discussed. This was my grouse against Vijay. Velim was never discussed. Parvorim, Fatoda, Salegaon, Seolim. Now he put up a candidate in Velim. That started the chain. And again, we could have sorted it out. But then, once the B form was issued against Vijay Sardesai, it became very difficult.
You are advising Vijay Sardesai to do away with Goa Forward and come and join Congress.
Post-election.
If not today, after the election.
This has been my consistent stand with Vijay Sardesai.
So there is an open offer to Vijay Sardesai to come and join Congress after the election.
It has been my consistent, I would say, advice to Vijay Sardesai.
What about the Aam Aadmi Party? The general perception is that either Aam Aadmi Party is taking away the Congress vote share or it is dividing the non-BJP vote share.
From day one, I have been saying that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is a B team of BJP. His whole movement was planned, conceived, executed under the advice and guidance of the RSS leadership. I had exposed the internal meetings held in Vivekananda International Foundation in 2011-2012. And now, did you see the statement of Mr. KPS Gill? That Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is giving a platform to the radical Sikhs demanding Khalistan. I have charged that he has got funds from Canada from these elements.
It's a very serious.
Yes, I have made this charge.
You're practically saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is run from an extremist terrorist fund.
You please let them deny. Let them deny that these funds have not come from Canada. Let him deny that the Canadian NRIs are not campaigning for him. Let him deny that he has not stayed.
Does that mean the funding is terror funding?
It's not terror. It's funding. Funding by people from Canada, who have been leading the Khalistan movement. So
it's blood money.
I'm not saying anything. I'm saying the money has come in from Canada. He has collected money from Canada. This is my charge from those who have been leading the Khalistani movement outside. He is playing a dangerous game. There are also issues where he is talked of transparency, that all our funding will be on our website. Please go to his website. There is the list of donors has been removed.
BJP is also basing this entire campaign on Manohar Parrikar might come back to Goa. He might lead things from Delhi also. How are you looking at it?
Very interesting. Manohar Parrikar doesn't want to leave Goa. And if he's so fond of Goa, he should not be, I would say, an absent defense minister in Delhi. He should come back to, first of all, they're not going to get a mandate. But if he's so interested in Goa politics, he should become the leader of opposition here rather than a defense minister there.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.